Good morning, everybody. It's Thursday, and so I've got both the Wednesday and the Thursday problems of the day up here for you guys to look at. On Wednesday, you were given a table, and you had to fill in the start value. And at 0, you didn't have anything there. I've obviously got the answer filled in. And it went 12, 24, 48, 96. So it was multiplication by 2. So to go backwards, you would have to take 12 divided by 2 and get the 6. Over on the right side, you've got a system, a couple different ways to do it. When I tried it, I wanted to put parentheses around the bottom one, multiply the bottom one by 4. That way I would get 4x and 4x and use elimination. Either strategy would work. If you wanted to multiply by 2 and get rid of the y's, that's okay too. Either way you do it, you're going to get x equals 6, y equals -7. I'm also posting a retake today. That will be on the class stream. Make sure you email that directly to me. Have a terrific weekend. We're going to get some great weather. Have fun out there.